It's cloudy, it's raining, and that drizzle, it's going to continue for the next several hours. We're expecting even heavier rain tonight. First, I want to show you what it looks like outside. That cloud cover still sitting kind of low there over Fort Worth, temperature of 54 degrees. Our temps will continue to drop as this front works its way towards the east-southeast. Temperatures behind the front are in the upper 40s and the 50s, 48 degrees being reported right now in Decatur, 51 in Denton. Ahead of the front, still Dallas reporting about 62 degrees, so quite the temperature difference there in the Metroplex as that front pushes through. We're also seeing some very light scattered rain along the front. I am expecting to see heavier rain late today into tomorrow. But before we get to that, I want to show you what's going on right now. Just northern Rockwall County into Collin County, seeing very light rain. I'd even call some of this a drizzle. Just south of Mesquite there along 175, seeing a little bit of that drizzle as well. Could be impacting visibility at times. So just be careful out there. And west of the Metroplex, also seeing some very light rain from Jacksonville to Mineral Wells towards I-20 there. We're expecting to see more or less the same thing for the next several hours across Dallas-Fort Worth. Not seeing too much in the way of heavy rain, but definitely seeing some very light drizzle, maybe even a mist. Here's where that front is roughly. It just cleared Dallas-Fort Worth. I just tweeted about this, but temperatures were in the 60s before 10. And now that the front has pushed into Dallas-Fort Worth, we're looking at temperatures in the 50s, about 55 degrees right now at DFW. Temperatures are in the 40s and 50s for Denton County as well. So here's what you need to know. That front's already moving through. Cooler, rainy through the afternoon. That heavy rain will be possible tonight. So let's go ahead and talk more about that. 55 right now. Winds are out of the north. That's helping push in some of this cooler air. And look at this. Around 3 this afternoon, this front continues to work its way very slowly south and east. Now, because it's moving slowly, look at what happens. This is now around 6. We're looking at maybe an isolated thunderstorm popping in across portions of Dallas-Fort Worth. The heavier stuff, though, east-southeast of the Metroplex. Around 7, 8, and 9, we'll start to see more of a line of showers and storms develop along this front. Heavy rain at times. This is where we're going to see our heaviest rain. Look at how slow this moves. This is taking you through 5 in the morning Wednesday. Some of the heavier rain still kind of centered along portions of the front, but we're looking at potential for some heavy showers and thunderstorms really working their way across Dallas-Fort Worth, across North Texas, very early Wednesday, 5, 6 in the morning. Look at this. This is going to impact our morning drive. A few pockets of that heavy rain will be possible. The threat for severe weather mostly east of the area, and I'll show you that. But with that being said, some of this heavy rain can absolutely still pop up as we head towards the mid-morning on Wednesday. As we head towards midday Wednesday, we'll start to see more heavy rain, mainly east of the Metroplex, and then it clears out Wednesday afternoon. Like I said, the threat for severe weather stays south and east of the Metroplex from Navarro County towards the south and east for the potential for strong winds, quarter-sized hail, and then in East Texas tonight into tomorrow. So we're primarily dealing with a heavy rain event, 1 to 2 inches of rain between today and tomorrow. That's a lot in a short period of time, so be careful out there, especially on the roadways. Temperatures do cool again before the weekend as another push of cold air moves in, Cleo.
Ooh, all right. Thanks there, Marielle.